And now, your Fox 24 Local Weather Authority forecast.
It's a muggy start across the basin. A lot. Look at the tall city. We do notice that we have a very thick cloud deck. That sun trying to peek through the cloud deck off in the distance. Not raining right now. Very mild, feeling a little bit more like September as opposed to December as that sun continues to rise and trying to peek through the cloud deck. We are going to be seeing way above normal temperatures, strong wind gusts, wild clouds out there, as I mentioned, but we could be seeing a slightly higher rain chance thanks to this low pressure system north and west of the basin, this stationary front really dividing central parts of Texas, and we are going to be seeing that front eventually second its way farther to the south. Northern areas of Texas, cooler. Southern areas of Texas, very mild, very humid, some light rain showers in parts of the basin right now, and we are going to be seeing more chances of rain in the coming days. Some rain showers extending from Van Horn to Marfa through Fort Stockton and Pecos, mostly south of I-20, just south of Midland and Odessa, but we do notice a lot of clouds on the increase. We're going to be seeing more of those clouds throughout the day today with temperatures warming up, but not quite as warm as yesterday. Yesterday in Tall City got to 78, currently sitting at 57. I think we'll get to a low temperature of 56 degrees, right around the 58-degree mark for your morning commute. Low to mid 70s this afternoon. I think we'll reach 75 degrees this afternoon before cooling off because of more clouds and a higher rain chance as we head later this evening with temperatures dipping into the low to mid 60s. Temperatures well above normal for this time of year, as much as 20 to 25 degrees above normal. We should be in the mid 30s in the Midland and Odessa area. We're in the mid to upper 50s right now. Warming up in the high 60s, 70s, very close to the lower 80s in parts of Brewster County before cooler weather starts to spill its way in across the basin as our frontal boundary moves farther to the south, increasing the chances of rain later this evening, mostly after the afternoon commute. Perhaps by dinner time, temperatures in the 60s overnight, dipping into the 50s with some rain showers. Very muggy for this time of year. Low temperatures in the 50s. Those winds pretty light, though, out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Still southerly winds out in front at that frontal boundary, which will again creep its way farther to the south. Out in front of that front, we're going to be seeing high rain chances, mostly south of I-20. From Marfa to Fort Stockton to Pecos, just south of Midland and Odessa, but high rain chances as we move farther to the north later this evening into the overnight. Those darker greens right along I-20, including Midland and Odessa, means we could be seeing moderate to heavy rainfall. I think in the southern eastern basin, a very low rain chance from Drier to Sheffield to near the Big Bend region. But for the rest of the basin, late tonight into tomorrow into early Thursday morning, likely to see rain, a 70% chance of rain. So for much of the basin, there is at least a chance of rain. We need the rainfall, and that's likely to be the big story later today. A little bit drier this afternoon compared to yesterday afternoon, but increasing humidity will increase those rain chances heading into tonight and tomorrow morning before drier weather returns as we head later in the week.